This is the first video of class 8th Maths NCERT, the chapter 1 rational number. In this video we will discuss about the rational number and now we will discuss the properties of rational number. First property of rational number is closure property, then commutative property, associative property, distributive property. In this video we will discuss only the first property of rational number, the closure property. Let's start the topic. I have already discussed what are rational number. Rational number are those numbers that can be explained in the form of P by Q, that can be expressed as fractions. Rational number are those numbers that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P is numerator and Q is denominator, and denominator is does not equals to 0. For example, rational numbers 1 by 6 is a rational number, 7 by 4 is a rational number, minus 1 by 6 rational number, 0 by 1 is also a rational number, but 1 by 0 is not a rational number. Is not a rational number are those numbers that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P is numerator and Q is denominator, and denominator is does not equals to 0. For example, the rational number 1 by 6, 7 by 4, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 1 are rational numbers, but 1 by 0 is not a rational number. The value of 1 by 0 is defined. Now we will discuss the properties of rational number. In this video we will discuss the first property of rational number, the closure property. What this property say? This property say that rational number allow only rational number to come in. They don't allow any numbers to come in. For understanding this concepts, I take one example. एक दिन मेरी इच्छा हुई कि मैं आज डिनर पे जाती हूँ किसी होटल में. मैं अपने साथ अपने डॉग को भी ले जाती हूँ. जैसे मैं ही होटल तक पहुंची तो होटल के बाहर एक बोर्ड पे लिखा था डॉग्स आर नॉट अलाउड. इट मीन्स मैं अंदर जाके अपना डिनर कर सकती हूँ लेकिन जो मेरा डॉग है वो नहीं जा सकता. द डोर्स ऑफ द होटल आर ओपन ओनली फॉर ह्यूमंस that are not open for animals. Similar, in closure property, rational number allows only rational number to come in. They don't allow any other numbers to come in. We will discuss the closure property in 4 operation. First is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. Okay. At first, we will discuss the closure property of rational number, the first operation in addition. Sum of two rational number are always a rational number. Sum of two rational numbers are always a rational number. Sorry, is. Sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. For understanding these concepts, I take one example. I take two rational number 1 by 2, 1 by 4. If we add these two rational number, then what will come? 3 by 4. This is rational number, this is rational number, and the addition of two rational number, what we will get? 3 by 4. This is also a rational number. What this property say? Sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Another example is I taking 3 by 4, 1 by 8. I again add these two numbers 3 by 4, 1 by 8. What will come? 7 by 8. 3 by 4 is a rational number. 1 by 8 is a rational number. When we add these two rational number, what we will get? 7 by 8. This is also a rational number. So we say that rational number are close under addition. What we say? We say that rational numbers are closed under addition. हम कोई भी दो रेशनल नंबर्स ले, उनका सम हमेशा ही एक रेशनल नंबर आना चाहिए. Then we say that the rational number are close under addition. Now we will discuss this property in second operation, that is subtraction. Difference of two rational numbers is always a rational number. What this property say? Difference of two rational numbers is always a rational number. If we take two rational number and we subtract these two rational number, we always get a rational number. That time we say that rational number are close under subtraction. I am taking one example. I am choosing rational number 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now we will subtract these two rational number. The LCM is 4. Now we will get 1 by 4. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. If we subtract two rational number 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, 4 is LCM. 4 1s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. What we will get? 1 by 4. This is a rational number. I am taking another example for understanding this property. Zero by 1 and 3 by 4. I am choosing two rational number 3 by 4 and 0 by 1. Now I will subtract So what will come? 3 by 4. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. The difference of two rational number is 3 by 4. This is also a rational number. That time we see that rational number are close under subtraction. अगर हम कोई भी दो नंबर लेते हैं तो उनको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं या उनका डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं तो हमेशा ही हमें एक रैशनल नंबर मिलना चाहिए. सो वी से दैट द रैशनल नंबर आर क्लोज अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस दिस प्रॉपर्टी इन थर्ड ऑपरेशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. What this property say? The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. If we multiply these two rational numbers, so what will come? 3 by 8. This is a rational number, this is a rational number, and the product of two rational number 3 by 8 is also a rational number. For understanding this concept, I am taking another example. Five by 2, 1 by 4. If we multiply two rational number, the product will come 5 by 8. This is rational number, this is rational number, and the product of two rational number is 5 by 8. This is also a rational number. So we say that rational number are close under multiplication. What we say? Rational numbers are close under multiplication. Now we will discuss the closure property in fourth operation, that is division. Division of two rational numbers may and may not be a rational number. Division of two rational number may and may not be a rational number. In this case, we say that rational number are not closed under division. For understanding this concept, I take one example. 3 by 4, 1 by 2. If we divide 3 by 4, 1 by 2, what will come? 3 by 4, 2 by 1, 6 by 4. this is rational number, this is a rational number, and the division of what this rational number is 6/4. This is a rational number. But I am taking another condition. If you divide any rational number by 0, three by 4 is a rational number, 0 by 5 is a rational number. If we divide 3 by 4, then what we will get? 3 by 0. This is rational number. This is also a rational number. And the division of these two rational number is 3 by 0. This is not a rational number. So we say that rational number are not closed under division. Rational numbers are not closed under division. If we divide any rational number by 0, we will not get a rational number. If we divide any rational number by 0, we will not get a rational number. So we say that rational number are not closed under division. I think आपको ये concept समझ में आ गया होगा. If you have any query regarding to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.